So, honorable mention to some stuff, random stuff I bought. Birthday gift. Look at these. Tap in. So they have like diamond right around MK. And the comparative value of $60. This 10 out of 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend. This smell really, really good. Note, scented body oil spray. Vanilla rose, yes. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Bought this for myself from this was from below 5 or something like that. And yeah. And inside you have Kimberly's sweet cherry, Kimberly's tropical pineapple, Kimberly's sweet peach. And I'm excited about trying these. I smell them and they smell really good. So they're like mist. Yeah. Now I got these as well from Five Below. Just random stuff. And I got this as a present. These are pretty cute. This is a present. Alright. And before I talk about that box, let's talk about this. It's so freaking cute. Let me tap in. It's so freaking cute. Look at it. It's a clock. I got it from Hobby Lobby. Discounted at $10. And it was original like $19. Stinking adorable. That's how it's gonna sit. Let me move this box. It's so cute. So cute. Alright, put this aside. And then when I went to the perfume store to make the perfumes, this is how it came out. Listen, smell really, really good. It smells citrusy, smells sweet. It's like a good combination of sexy and floral and calm and beautiful. So I name it, of course, D the Traveler. Really, really cute. Exquisite. Smell. I wish you guys could smell it. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But yes, that was that.